Joining me today, I have John Berquist. He is with Elysium Legal, and he has some really important details for us around wills, trust, financial planning. So super excited to have you here.
Thank you.
It's going to be really great. So how can someone get a will and a trust and have it help them with like their legacy or today? What are things that they could have?
You know, it's a great question, and I recently had, it reminds me of a story. I recently had a client come in and he talked a little bit about how he and his sister, after his parents passed away, went through this process of receiving an inheritance and processing through that. And unfortunately, it was a very negative experience. And now he and his sister, they don't even talk. Oh. And there also, another client came in and was talking about how as a widow, her information was available out there. And so she was a target to a lot of people who unfortunately were looking to take advantage of her. And these are not the things we want, right?
Sure,
the things that we want are leaving a legacy, bringing our family together, not separating those. And I think all of us have heard of experiences and know of experiences of that not being the case. Yeah. Of when somebody passes away, it's just kind of a mess and it's difficult to process through. So the will and the trust help us to not only keep things private, but also to work to bring our families together at this already difficult time instead of doing the opposite. And if we spell those things out very clearly in that process, it helps with that just a ton.
That is fantastic and really important. So it's almost like when I hear you talking, I hear like a will and a trust. It's like these guardrails that keep us in the lane we want to be in.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? As we're going through an already hard time.
It does.
So how does financial planning, like that's how it helps in the immediate. How does it help the legacy as you move forward?
Thank you. So the will and the trust really are just a beautiful picture of the things that you would like to happen. For example, if you are thinking of giving to one of your favorite charities, or if you want to set things up so that your children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren could even receive benefits and help as they go to school and different things in their life, that is the picture, right? And you are painting that beautiful picture in your will and your trust. The financial planning helps that all become reality.
Wow.
So the planning is the piece that helps make sure that your dreams and reality come to pass.
I love
if you have a beautiful plan, but nothing to fund that plan with, right, it becomes kind of an empty box.
Right.
And so the financial planning is a key aspect in that.
I love that. I love that. So you're kind of taking something that's idealistic and moving it into a space we can do something with.
Absolutely.
And leave a legacy.
Yes.
Will money management really affect your legacy? Like, is that a big factor in this, or?
You know, it really goes along with one of the things we were just saying a minute ago on financial planning. Is the plan, right? It helps to fund all these dreams, that helps them become reality. Yeah. The investment management of the assets actually can make a enormous difference. And in fact, it can literally make millions of dollars of difference in the end over a typical 25 to 30 year period of time. Right. So it can be tremendous in helping you accomplish your goals.
Right, and allowing someone, I mean, we work hard for our money. We want our money to work hard for us, so plan with it. That's great. Awesome. I appreciate that so much, John. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, we really appreciate you being here today and helping us with these details. This is something that we can all benefit from. So if you're looking to find out information, now's the time to do so. So if you'll reach out to John, he can help you. Again, he's with Elysium Legal. He can help you take care of those things.